Hi there, we're fixing a silver chain here. So this chain has a lobster claw on it that it's been pulled. So there's a big gap here. And that big gap it's a normal thing with use. And you can see it just goes right on there and comes off. So what we're gonna be doing, this is a very simple repair. We're going to be using pliers and we're going to be pulling this down so that way it meets this section here. So the spring on this still works, so it comes down. So as long as this functions still, this lobster claw doesn't need to be replaced. So that still works, it's just a little bent, and we'll close that gap. So we have some pliers here, jump ring pliers. They're round, and I'm just going to grab onto the back of this. I'm just going to curl this a little bit of pressure, and bring it forward. So, and it's really that easy. Sometimes when you bring these down, they can interact with the rest of the trigger section poorly, but as you can see with this, it moves just fine and the gap's reduced. So now it no longer has this just like freely going into it. We have to actually use the trigger mechanism. It slides on and we're good to go. So we have this chain. We just did a tightening on the lobster claw. So we're going to clean it up a little bit in the ultrasonic to just get the initial oils and soils off of it, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, let's go. All right, so we've just finished cleaning this up in the ultrasonic. Rinse it off. Give it a little quick. So it looks cleaner already. Got a lot of tarnish that looked like it was on and off. So what we could do next is use a little bit of silver cleaner and see if that brightens it up a little bit more. We have a little bit of Jack Silver cleaner polish, so we're going to use this on this chain to see if we can brighten it up a little bit more. So we don't need much. Got our chain there. And we'll just keep working on this to, you can see it's getting, debris left on our cloth here. So we'll keep working on this and get it to shine up a little bit more. And we'll return back and see what it looks like, okay? Cleaned up necklace.